have to find the largest and smallest numbers among these 5 numbers. So the numbers given are 35,609, 28,942, 23,480, 468, 32,901, and 25,490. These are the 5 numbers given. So among these 5 numbers, we have to find which is the smallest number and which is the largest number. For this type of problems, we have to use ascending or descending order. Any one of these orders are sufficient. So I am taking ascending order now. Ascending order. What is ascending order means? Ascending order means from the smallest number to the greatest number. So first number is the smallest number and last number is the largest number. So by using this ascending order, I can find which number is smallest and which number is largest. So what is the ascending order? Smallest to greatest. Now write the smallest among these 5 numbers. So here first of all we have to find how many digits in that number. So in this number 5 digits, same 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits and 5 digits. So the numbers in the digits are equal. Then we have to go to, if the numbers in the digits are equal, then we have to go to the highest place values. What is the highest place value? 10,000 place. So in 10,000 place, which number is the smaller number? Then that number is the smallest number. Okay, here 3, 2, 2, 3 and 2. So 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. So I am taking these 3 numbers now. 28,942, 23,468, 25,490. Because in 10,000 place, these 3 numbers have 2's. Okay. Among these three numbers, okay, I am representing as 1, 2, 3. Among these 3 numbers, in 10,000 place we have 2. So value is same. Then we have to go to next highest place. What is the next highest place? 1,000 place. In 1,000 place it has 8, 3 and 5. Among these 3 numbers, 8, 3, 5, which is the smaller? 3 is smaller than 8 and 5. So what is the smallest number among these 5 numbers? 23,468 less than 25,498, because 8 is greater than 5. Because 8 is greater than 5, that's why 25,498 is lesser than 28,942. Okay, now these 3 numbers are completed. Now the numbers remaining are 35,609, 32,901. So among these 2 numbers, 10,000 place have 3. So the numbers, the place values are equal. Then we have to go to next highest place. What is the next highest place? 1,000 place. In 1,000 place it has 5 and it has 2. So 2 is smaller than 5. That's why 32,901 less than 35,609. So this is the ascending order. What is ascending order means? From the smallest number to the largest number. So smallest number is smallest number. Smallest number is the first number in the order, 23,468, and the largest number is the number which is on the last. So 35,609 is the largest number. Like that we have to find the smallest number and the largest number. Okay children? Okay children, next problem is find the smallest 6-digit number and the largest 6-digit number using the digits 4, 7, 3, 5, 9, 1. By using these 6 numbers, 6 digits, we have to find the largest number by these 6 digits and the smallest number by these 6 digits. So the largest number have these 6 digits only and the smallest number have these 6 digits only. So see here, first of all write the given digits. Given digits are 4, 7, 3, 5, 9, 1. Okay. First of all, for the smallest number we have to use ascending order. For smallest number we use ascending order, and the largest number we use great descending order. So ascending order, so write the ascending order for this 66. Ascending order means from the smallest number to the greatest number. So what is the smallest number among 4, 7, 3, 5, 9, 1? 1 is the smallest number. 1 is less than 3, 3 less than 4, 4 less than 5, 5 less than 7, 7 less than 9. This is the ascending order of this 66. 1 less than 3, less than 4, 4 less than 5, 5 less than 7, 7 less than 9. So this is the ascending order. So what he is asking for 6 digits, smallest 6 digit number. So how many digits in that number here? 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. 6 digits means up to lakhs. Now place these numbers orderwise. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. This is the smallest number. Smallest number is smallest number is 1,34,579 is the smallest number by using these 6 digits. Okay children, this is the smallest number by using these 6 digits. Once again I am repeating this. See here, first of all what we have to do is we have to write the ascending order for these 6 digits. So the ascending order is 1 less than 3, 3 less than 5, 5 less than 4, 1 less than 3, 3 less than 4, 4 less than 5, 5 less than 7 and 7 less than 9. So we have to place these 6 digits here one by one. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 by using this order. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So this is the smallest number. And see here, for largest number we have to use descending order. Descending order. What is the descending order? From the largest number to the smallest number. So largest number is 9 greater than 7, 7 greater than 5, 5 greater than 4, 4 greater than 3 and 3 greater than 1. This is the descending order. Now which number we have to find? Largest 6 digit number by using these digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. Now place these numbers one by one. 9, 7, 5, 4, 3 and 1. So this is the largest number. Largest number equal to 9,75,431. Okay children, this is the largest number and this is the smallest number. Okay children, do these 3 problems as homework. Thank you children. Bye.